How's it going, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're back to the truck. Gonna do this little project, gonna finish it up. So we got the rooftop tent on, we got the awning on. Camper sealed, I hope. We had to reseal it again because it seems like each time it rains, we get a hard rain over here. So got little leaks here and there that are coming from between the bed and the camper. So threw another sealer in between there, hopefully it works. It's the only thing I've been waiting on to get this bed done and the cabinets and basically the inside of here. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and build the bed off the side of this, and got a little schematic here. We're just going to kind of wing it, and basically just a bed that comes over 27 inches, and it's like 75 inches long, and it's going to just clear the wheel wells. So it's going to have the fold up part on it so I can keep all my stuff inside. I like everybody's camper. And let's get to it. Alright guys, so what we did was we measured this board right here to a 75, and then we threw 45-degree angles inwards on both sides. We're going to cut two pieces like this, and then we'll use the ends to kind of box off the sides. Okay, so that's what we're building down that side. Now we'll go ahead and cut another piece for the bottom. Alright, so that's what we're looking for on the front part of the bed. So basically what I'm going to do is put some LED lights here, here, and here. So when they shine, it's going to shine against that diamond plate and glow a little bit more. Just a little idea I had. It's different than everybody else's. Okay, this is the end cap, guys. 25 inches by 9.5. Right, this is what we're looking at so far. And I think I'll just put like a hinge here and a hinge over here, and then we'll put the board across the top, screw it down, and then one across here and screw it to the hinges. Yeah. Hey, got me some Rust-Oleum Ultimate Ultra Matte Slate. And paint this thing. Okay guys, and what we'll do is later on I'm going to get some lights and we'll mount them up here so then they'll glow against the chrome. It should be nice and bright. Okay guys, so I saw a video that this guy took some of this counter mat, inside counter mat, and he laid it on and stapled it, which was a good idea, I thought, because you don't want your mattress to slide and stuff. Thank you to the guy, I think his name was Brian, for the swell idea. I've actually, most of these ideas I've got for this have been from watching different people doing their builds and then kind of put my own twist on it, taking their stuff and adding my stuff. So that's what YouTube's for, right? Yeah, I thought this was a good idea, so we're gonna do it. Of course, I've run out of staples. All right, got that in. Now, I was watching Whiskey Dog's channel, and he had a first aid kit mounted right here, which is really nice area, because if you're out here camping and whatever, you could just Velcro it right here and then rip it off when you're ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount first aid kit right here. I got these Velcro strips from Walmart.
Oh no!
Alright guys, before you put your Velcro on, make sure you pay attention and don't put the wrong side up. I thought it was the actual Velcro side, not the fabricy side. I mounted them up and then I realized that that's not going to mount to it. But it's okay, we saved it. So I'll see if those hold with the sticky. If not, then I'll just go ahead and drive some staples in those. There we go. Okay guys, I watched a video on YouTube that says you can take a razor, or it's a blade, and strap it to your blade on your Sawzall, and it cuts right through this stuff. So got it marked out, got my blade super glued to my other blade. I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright guys, there you have it. We got the first aid kit, we got the bed put in there, folds up, we cut up the mattress. We got these cool little diamond plate inserts. Later on we're going to put in a lighting system in here. I'll put lights up top and then I'm going to put lights along the side of these diamond plate inserts. Anyway, that's today's video. It was a little bit of work. I still got to do the cabinets up front, so that'll be the next video. And slap a cooler in here, power unit, lights, and we're going to be ready to camp and shoot some videos on that. So I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. I got to go mow a lawn. Laters.